YouTube? It's Des, and I'm back with another video. So if you're new to my channel, stop what you're doing, hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. And if you've already been rocking with me, then welcome back. Turn on the radio. So anyways, today I am taking my girls to the zoo. So yeah, it's gonna be a family Sunday fun day. First we're gonna go to the zoo, and then I'm gonna attempt to go to the Auburn festival, which is a really big festival here in Atlanta. I haven't been in like the last 3 years, I would say, but it jumps, it rocks, and it goes down. So I really want to go to that. It's just that I'm going to be getting a late start, so I'm not sure how that's going to work out, because you guys know I have to open up my store on Sundays. That's where I'm headed to now. And I don't know what time the zoo closed, but I know we're going to be like pushing it already. And then I don't know what time the festival is over either. I'm sure it's going to go into like dusk dark at least. So I think we'll be good. We probably won't have a lot of time at the festival, but I definitely want to stop by there just to check it out this year. So yeah, today I'm very well rested. I was drinking that Taylor Port last night. If you guys know, you watched my last video. Then I went to sleep. Then I got up, and I've been actually watching the movie Dahmer. If you guys don't know anything about that, my dad told me a little bit about that. I don't know why he would tell me about that, but he told me a little bit about that when I was younger, about the guy that, killed all these boys, whatever, and yeah, and was getting away with it and was hiding these bodies and cutting them up and all types of crazy stuff. So yeah, if you guys have not been watching that, y'all know I don't even watch TV, but a couple of girls up at my mall was saying, it was so good. So I was like, let me give it a try. So me and my husband, we was watching that this morning and last night. I fell asleep on it last night because I was drinking, but today we watched like 2 episodes, and he's still watching it right now. But I was like, I gotta get up to my store. I have all this stuff. I had him pack it all in my trunk, all in my car, so that I could get a lot more in my fall inventory. I think I'm going to just go with what I have for right now. I think it's gonna be the last load. I do have like 5 or 6 more bags I still like brought down that I need to like bring up here on Wednesday, back up here on Wednesday. By the way, it is Sunday, so happy Sunday. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just wait, and then once stuff starts selling, and then I'll just bring like new stuff in. So I said I'm gonna give you a story time about this nail. Look at my nail, y'all. That is so ugly. It's actually looking much better than what it was looking before. I ain't put no lotion on yet on my hands, so don't worry. I did put lotion on my body though when I got out the shower, but my hands always, like, it don't matter. I have to like get to where I'm going and then put lotion on, because they're gonna be right back dry, right back ashy, even though I put it all on my body and use my hands to do so. Anyways, so this fingernail right here, yes, this fingernail, the nail was lifting. This nail was lifting, and one of my thumbs was lifting. I knew it was lifting, but I kind of like schedule out when I'm going to get my nails done, because I don't have any days off. So the days that the only day that I really have to play with is Monday, because Jael doesn't have practice, and Saturday and Sunday is like hit or miss, because I don't be trying to get up super early, because that's my only like sleep-in day, and I have to get to my store by like 11 o'clock. So yeah. So anyway, anywho, I already had it planned out to when I was gonna go get my nails fixed and done and all of that good stuff. But I think, for me washing my hands so much with working with kids, and just I'm a neat freak, so I'm always cleaning. My hands are always in water, literally. I just knew that it wasn't a good idea for me to even have nails on, especially like acrylic. I kind of just need to get my real nails like overlaid. I think it'll be a lot better, which I am going to do after this set is done. I'm going to take these off and get an overlay on my nails. But when they took this nail off, y'all, it was so ugly, and I was like, are you serious? He was like, yeah, it's fungus. He was like, it's nothing, I see it all the time. Worse than this. Y'all, that's so nasty. And then they had one of the ladies came over, and she was like, oh, just go wash your hands. We'll just, put another nail on it and take it off. I was like, who? No, ma'am. So I told her, like, I needed to take this off and let it breathe. I needed to go put something on it to help make it go away. And I really didn't find anything. I did look up a video on YouTube that said to use some bleach, like a little bit of bleach and water on a Q-tip, and put it on it several times a day. I only did it like 2 days in a row, but I kid you not, the next day it looked 100 times better than what it looked the day before. So I think that really worked. I just haven't been consistent with it. So yeah, I told them I was gonna come back and y'all gonna do this nail over for free when I come back and get my feet done. I gotta get my feet done because I am going on a trip this week and I need to be cute. So my nails are gonna be just like this still, but I am going to get my feet done, my brows done, and all the other good stuff done. My hair is definitely going to be getting done. I am getting a ponytail and it's going to be so cute, like so I'm going to get my hair straight and it's going to be like a soft ponytail kind of look. I kind of stole Toya Wright's, she wore it at her bridal shower. I kind of stole her hairstyle, so that's the hairstyle I'm getting my hair done on Thursday, so it'll be fresh for Friday. So yeah, so that's story time on this finger. It is getting better. I did cut it down, but hopefully by Thursday when I go get, not Thursday, hopefully by Tuesday, which is in a few days, it'll look even better and then it'll be ready for another nail to be on there. But after these, like, I'm taking them off anyway, so it's just gonna be for now. So yeah, enough of me rambling. I'll see you guys. Girls are on the way to the party, bottles and bottles popping all of that. So I came to give my good, and I'm a good, I'm in the good. Goodbye, let me hear you. Alright guys, we made it. There's Sunday. Say hi, Pie. There's Mook. Back there eating popcorn. Hold on, y'all. It's copyright. Okay, so it's definitely not as packed as it usually is. Or they don't have as many vendors as they usually do. But we're just gonna enjoy the moment because we outside. It's nice weather. And it's a good enough vibe. So I'm gonna try to find some food and I'm gonna get back on here in a minute.